Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for the Nordstrom. First, you need to open your Google Chrome browser and in the top section over here, type down nordstrom.com and enter it. And you could see we just landed to the Nordstrom official homepage. And in the top right corner, we could see the sign in option over here. Click on the sign in or create an account. And you need to type down your email address and click on the next option. And to create an account, we are required with our first name and our last name, and we need to create a password as well. And make sure you type down the strong password to secure it. And after that, we could see a small option over here that says keep me signed in. If you want to keep signed into this account next time you log in, click over here. But if you do not prefer that, if you want to type down your email and password again, click over here again. And after that, you can click on the create account option in order to create an account in Nordstrom Online. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.